Inox Green lands massive solar deal. 625 MWP project with KEC International. Inox Green Energy Services has officially entered the solar O&M big leagues by securing a letter of award from KEC International for a massive 625 MWP solar project located in the Bhadla Solar Park, Rajasthan. This specific win is a landmark achievement for the company, as it pushes their dedicated solar operations and maintenance portfolio past the 3 GW threshold and increases their total renewable O&M presence to over 13 GW across wind and solar segments. The project highlights Inox Green's successful, multi-technology, pivot, moving beyond its traditional wind energy routes to capture large-scale opportunities in the rapidly growing solar and renewable energy infrastructure space. By partnering with a global infrastructure major like KEC International, Inox Green is demonstrating its technical capability to manage high-capacity utility-scale solar assets in one of India's most critical renewable energy hubs. CEO Mr. S.K. Mathusuthana has emphasized that this growth is part of a broader strategy to expand both organically and inorganically, targeting the vast O&M potential within the Indian green energy transition. The company expects to continue this momentum by participating in large-scale tenders, aiming to leverage its existing pan-India service network to provide high-efficiency maintenance services that ensure maximum uptime for solar power plants. For investors, this deal provides strong revenue visibility and validates the company's asset-light service model, which typically enjoys higher margins and stickier cash flows compared to EPC-led businesses. As the company crosses the 13 GW total portfolio mark, it is positioning itself as a dominant independent service provider, ISP, in the Indian renewables market, catering to both domestic giants and international players entering the Indian solar landscape. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.